you are new to my channel, I am Teacher Lorie. And for today's lesson, we will read Et Family. First, let us name the picture that you will see on the screen. Here's the first one. Jet, net, pet, vet, wet. Okay, name the picture that you will see on the screen, this time by yourself. Ready? Good. Got it. That's right. Next one. That's very good. And the last one. Very good. Let's blend together. Remember, you will read, or we will read, et. Say it. Et. Again. Et. Okay. Listen to the first sound you hear at the beginning of each word. Here is the first one. Jet. Ch. What's the first sound? Ch. What letter is that? J. Let's blend the sounds. J, et, j, et, jet. Next one is net. That's letter N. I heard N. Et, et. The word is net. Next one is pet. P. That's letter P. P. Let's blend together. P. Et. P. Et. Pet. Next one is vet. What letter is that? That's letter V. Et. Et. That's the word. Vet. And let's have the last one. Wet. W. That's letter W. W. Let's blend the sound. W. Et. W. Et. Say wet. More practice using our flip book. We will blend these sounds together. J, et, j, et. What's the word? Jet. Et, et. Say the word net. Et, et. Tell me the word. Pet. Et, et. What is the word? Vet. Here's the last one. Et, et. What's the word? Wet. Way to go! We are in the last part. Read the word by yourself. Here's the first one. Very good. Next one. Great! Here's the third one. Awesome! Fourth one. Yay! And the last one is? Very good! I have a cheer for you. Here is, I call it parrot cheer.